Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and we have a new introduction from A-Liner for you. This is the Ascape Plus. This has 48 volt electric system on it to keep it as much off the grid as possible. You can see up front here the solar panel that's built into the trailer. Up front we also have a bike hitch carrier, our double propane tank, spare tire. Now this Ascape Plus weighs in about 1,900 pounds, which is very lightweight. You can also get the traditional Ascape unit, which will weigh in at about 1,600 pounds, built to be small, lightweight, and get you out camping, but without having to fold or put any tops out. There is an awning at the back, rear entry, but let's take a look inside at what they have done this year for this introduction. As soon as you step in, you have your toilet here. Now this is their EcoFlow system. That's a 48 volt system to power the unit. Up front you have a nice banquette system for dining, as well as then converting over for sleeping. TV up front, storage right around, and it's all a plasticized material which gives you lots of durability, but you don't have to worry about humidity expanding it, causing issues. And you can see it's all riveted and secured together, so very different style of construction. Two large windows to let lots of light in, and I'm shooting this with no power so you can see the natural light you get on an overcast day. Here we have our stainless steel sink. There's an induction cooktop, microwave on board, and yes, we have our fridge. So it's a nice compact unit to get you out traveling on the road, all enclosed, approximately 1,900 pounds, and this is their new introduction for this year. Aluminum wheels, 4 stabilizer jacks. What more do you need when you want to get out and see the countryside and not have to change your tow vehicle? Anyways, this is Bruno from RVing TV. This is the Ascape Plus Amp series by A-Liner. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Check back soon with us. We'll bring you more A-Liner units that you'll be able to look at and see some varieties. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you live life to the fullest each and every day.